Hi guys! Try natin itong Mochi ice cream.
Ice cream!
Pistachio.
Kopmal.
Si Emma ay kumakain ng Magnum na ice cream.
Ice
Open
cream.
na.
Ice cream.
Wow!
Wow. It's out.
Try natin. Oh! Because pagaling to sa freezer.
It's out.
Siya, si Ato. Yeah. Yung loob niya ice cream. Pistachio ice cream.
It's out. Stasia. Ice cream. Wow. Pangkukan.
Para makita nila. Well, it's not pankukan. It's not pancake.
Yeah.
No, not pancake. Ice cream. Sarap? Ang sarap niya. Sarap? Ama? So? So? Kinain na talaga. This is pistachio. Gusto niya ng pistachio na ice cream. Pag bumibili kami ng ice cream, yung pistachio lagi yung flavor yung binibili niya. Sarap!
All right.